I like that picture.
It's pretty sweet.
Great white sharks now also come in blue, gray, red, and black.
Red white shark. Or great red shark.
Great red shark.
Great red shark.
Is that the only colors they came in?
Sure.
Randall?
What did I mess up now?
What?
What?
What's going on, everybody? Today, we're working on the Supra.
Supra day!
Are you excited? Happy to be working on the Supra again.
Something else will break or get lost or be on the park, so it's not like we'll get much done.
Yeah. What are we doing today? Tell the people. The people.
There's no one here.
The SNR.
It's just us.
The SNR maniacs.
Cleaning
Brother.
Cleaning and assembling the 7M head.
And we're gonna put on the metal head gasket too, right?
What metal head gasket?
The one that you're using.
What metal head gasket?
The one up there.
Oh, that one? You mean that one?
Yeah, that one.
Okay.
That'll work. We'll flatten out.
Put a book on it.
Yeah. A couple encyclopedias. Be good as new.
What's an encyclopedia?
For you kids under the age of 18, an encyclopedia is a book with a lot of information in it. Kind of like your Wikipedia, but in book form.
Big book.
Big books.
Heavy book.
In alphabetical order. World book. Is that what? Yeah, that was an encyclopedia, wasn't it? World book collection.
Sure.
Did you have a world book collection?
No, I didn't have an encyclopedia.
We did.
I had the animal ones. It was like the same thing, but it went through just animals.
Oh.
And I couldn't tell you the first thing about any animal. Except dogs are annoying.
Yeah. Very. So Randall ordered a new to him set of valves. And you see the shiny part, and then it goes on to that part there. See how it's all like one piece? That's how it's supposed to be. The reason why he ordered a new to him set is because he was cleaning them.
Someone told him to use pH down.
Yeah, someone told him to use this pool chemical called pH down. Someone very close to him that he shouldn't listen to with automotive advice, but it actually ate away the coating on it. Pretty crazy. I hope it doesn't do the same to him. This third person.
What? What'd you say?
I said I hope it doesn't do the same to them. This unknown person. I think you need a gasket.
Huh?
I think you need a gasket.
I do. I'm hoping if I water it enough, a new head will grow.
What? spotless head. It looks funny.
It's the weirdest looking 2J head I've ever seen.
That's what I'm saying. Clean yet?
Yeah, I'm soaking them in pH down.
Okay. Doesn't that eat it away? Doesn't that eat them away?
Makes them work better. It eats off all the bad stuff.
Leaves the good stuff.
Yes.
Oh, okay. There it is. It's a good old metal head gasket right there. You gonna use that?
No.
But why? You just want to change it faster?
Well, I'm setting myself up for a swap, so.
I won't tell anybody that.
It's that little red lightning.
$12 down. Bunch more to go. Why do you have so many valves?
Cause I got 4 per cylinder, baby. And I got 6 cylinders.
I don't like that.
Why would you prefer if it was V8? Maybe a 3050 Chevy.
No.
2 valves per cylinder, baby.
So if Randall felt like spending more time in the garage, so he decided to spill all his keepers, valve keepers, all over the floor. There's one. There's another one. There's one over here. There's one over there. How do you feel about that?
No, sir. I don't like it.
All right, all the valves are clean. So now we can throw them in the garbage. Just kidding. So now we can start dropping them back in the head if it's dry. And hopefully we found all the keepers. We'll know here shortly.
Count them.
I can't count that high. Think that's dry enough?
No, I'm gonna have to dry it off the house.
A little water wouldn't hurt it. It's not like it's never gonna see water again.
Sir, did you just make a BHG stab? Exhibit A. Why it won't happen.
Yeah.
How much of this crap do you put on there?
Just enough. Enough to go all the way around.
A lot, a little.
No, you don't have to glob it on.
Like so?
Yeah.
That'll work?
Yeah. So now that all the valves are clean, we're gonna lap them by using this here valve grinding compound, which is, like I said before in my old video, the Conquest video, it's just like liquid sandpaper. And then you can use this lapper tool, which is just a suction cup, and just push it down and act like you're starting a fire.
I don't think I used enough spit. Is that smooth sounding?
Yeah, I think it's good. All right, one down, 8 million more to go.
And this, kids, is why machine shops are our friends. Because they will do all this for a nominal fee.
We don't have.
So please go to sandrmotoring.com and pick up your own SNR Motoring merch today. I can't hear it though.
I'm sure it's good. Alright, so the valve lapping tool is too big, it's too big for the exhaust valves. So our ingenious idea is to get a piece of vacuum hose, connect it to the valve, and connect it to the drill. I don't know. Do it, wait. Just turn it. Yeah, keep going. I know a lot of people are their heads are gonna explode, but
I don't know, that sounds kind of...
it works.
Huh?
It works.
I mean, that's still kind of...
Just keep in mind, don't do as we say, and don't do as we do. And we'll all get along just fine. Right?
This is for entertainment.
Yeah. This is
Pure entertainment.
entertainment purposes only. This is not an informational video. You just invented a new tool. You should patent it.
It's a vacuum hose. I'm sure someone else has done this before. I'm sure I'm not the first person.
Leave a comment below. And
As much as I'd like to take credit for it, I'm sure I can find somewhere on the interwebs where someone else has done this.
leave a comment below with something that you had to come up with to make something work. I'd like to see some.
Or just in general.
With life in general?
No, just like tools
Yeah.
in general. Tools you've had to come up, not just for valve.
Well, yeah. That's what
Just
I mean.
any.
Yeah.
So that wraps up part 1 of Operation Head 7M. We got the valves pretty much lapped. Next time we'll put the springs, the cam caps, put the cams in, cam seals, valve seals, flux capacitors, and a kitchen sink. So normally we've been giving shout outs to other YouTube channels, ones that we enjoy and think you should check out because you'll probably enjoy them too. This week it'll be a little bit different. If you enjoy podcasts, check out Turbos and Tuning. He does a lot more newer cars and upcoming cars, but it's pretty interesting and I like his point of view on everything, so it's definitely worth checking out. Turbos and Tuning. You should be able to find it in your favorite podcast app.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, leave us a comment. One day we'll update our Patreon page. Head on over to sandrmotoring.com to pick up some merch, and we will see you next time.
Keep on motoring.
Happy Mother's Day.